So on this video, we are going to talk about how to replace files and how to delete files off your agency platform website. And so I'm going to use the Board of Psychology Examiners website. This is their dev environment. The first thing we are going to do is replace a file. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over to Content. We're going to go to Media and go into the Media Library. And we are going to find a file that we would want to replace. The most common file to get replaced is the PDF files. Lots of PDF files on the agency platform websites. These get updated, and this should be fairly simple and fairly straightforward. So when you come to the page, you should be able to see a replace file. And you can choose the file, find the new document you want to replace it with, double click on it, and click Save. And it will replace the file on your site. That's simple, that's straightforward. The only thing to be aware of, it can take several hours for it to actually update on the site with all the caching that's involved. You have site caching, you have server caching, there's caching in Cloudflare, and I'm pretty sure I'm missing a couple more spots here where the site's being cached. We've done this on sites, I've replaced 4 files. 3 of the files updated immediately. 1 file took several hours to update. So it's just the caching that's involved. If you click on the pencil to edit the document and you do not see the file replaced, put a ticket into the agency platform team and we will go in here and set this up. This should be set up on all the sites. But if you do not see it, please let us know and we can go ahead and take care of that for you. That's how you would replace the files. But let's say you want to delete the files. So what happened during the migrations is we took everything that was off the old sites, put them on the new site, make sure we kept all the files intact. That caused it to have a lot of files on the sites that are probably not even needed anymore. So I'm using the psych board because they had a request. They had 4 files that needed to be removed. Still showing up in Google searches. It was old, outdated information. It needed to be removed. So let's go ahead and find the file. This is one of the files that need to be removed. We're just in the file directory. If we click delete file, and we get an error message. It's basically telling us this file can't be deleted because it's being used by the following module file. So the easy way to solve this problem is we'll come over here, go back into Media Library, PDF document. So we'll come in here, search for it. Here's our file. Click the X. This will let us delete it out of the Media Library. So it tells us it's been deleted. Come back to Files. And now it's been marked for deletion. So you can see the file here now. Status is temporary. And this will go ahead and delete itself off. So when the site goes through its cron process, this will be deleted. Should be in about 4 to 6 hours. And we'll do another one here. So this is another file that needs to be removed. It's marked as permanent. Telling us it's being used in one place. And again, if we try to delete this, it's going to give us an error. It's telling us it's being used by the module file. So we'll go through and delete this from the media. So it's been deleted out of the media library. Now we can go back to files. We'll search for this. Coming up as a permanent file. Now it's being used in 0 places. We can delete this. and it's marked for deletion. This is how you can replace your files and also how you can delete your files.